felt honored again, just to represent everyone and to be out there and have them cheering for me again, and just to have everyone out there mingling with them and talking to them before the competition, and then when I was actually competing and having them and hearing them cheer for me, it felt, honored and good.
Really good going out and seeing all the smiles on the children and the seniors' faces, and going and mingling and knowing that they had a lot of fun and they really enjoyed it, and I know I really enjoyed it. It was a really good preparation to go on to the actual rodeo.